In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or update a logo in Calendly. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started. When you want to make your Calendly profile a bit more personalized or brand-friendly, adding or updating a logo is a fantastic idea. This small step can really elevate your professional appearance and help you better represent your brand. So let's walk through the process together. First things first, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Calendly account. If you haven't done that yet, just open your preferred web browser, go to the Calendly website, and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, the next step is to access your account settings. Look for your profile picture or initials at the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking on that should reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, you'll want to select Account Settings. Don't worry, this part is fairly easy to navigate. Now after you click on Account Settings, a new section will open up. This will provide you with various options concerning your account management. What you're specifically looking for is the Branding section. This is where you can customize how your profile looks, including incorporating your logo. Once you click on the Branding section, you will notice a dedicated area for uploading your logo. This is typically labeled as Upload Logo or just Logo. Here, you'll have the option to upload a new logo or change the existing one. If there's already a logo in place, there should be an option to remove it, giving you a clean slate for the new design. Now when you click the Upload section, a file selection window will pop up. This is where you'll want to navigate through your device's files to find the logo you wish to upload. Make sure it's the right file. Most logos will ideally be in a .png or .jpg format for the best results. After locating the logo image, select it and click Open or Choose to upload. Once your logo is uploaded, it's time to adjust its size. This is an important step because you want your logo to fit nicely without being too large or too small, which could throw off the overall look of your profile. Look for size adjustment tools or options around your uploaded logo area, where you can drag sliders or manually input size values. Take your time with this. Make sure you're happy with how it looks. After you've adjusted the size and you're satisfied with how your logo appears, the last thing left to do is save your changes. Look for a Save or Update button, which is usually located at the bottom of the page. Click that, and you should get a confirmation indicating that your new logo has been successfully saved. And there you have it. You've successfully added or updated your logo in Calendly. This simple customization can make a significant difference in how clients perceive your brand. It makes your scheduling link feel more personal and professional, which can enhance your credibility. If you have any questions or run into any issues during this process, feel free to drop a comment below. I'm here to help. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides. Until next time,